Hello guys, here is Sharif from Hardware to Fix. We have today a MacBook Pro A2442 2021. It came here because Apple said that the laptop have water damage. The client sent this laptop for Apple because it's not start, and after that he bring it to us to find where is the problem and to fix it. Apple says that this laptop have water damage. Now we will diagnostic this laptop and see if this laptop have water damage or it have another problem. Let's start with seeing this laptop under microscope and see where is the problem. Now we will start our inspection. We will see if we can find something under the microscope, if we can inspect something. We can see here that our water inspector it's not red. That means this laptop have no water or other liquid, and this one also. We will just quickly inspect it under the microscope and see if we can find something that will tell us where is the problem, and maybe we can solve the problem faster if we can find something or burned component or something that tell us that the problem come from this part, from the main board. Then we can solve the problem quickly. I think here it is good. We will flip the main board to the other side to see if we can find something also here. Here also it look good. And here also. I see no water damage. Actually, I don't know why Apple refused to take this one in warranty, because it's very clear that this mainboard is very clean and does not have any water damage. Here also it's look good. And here also it's look good. No problem. What we can do now I have searched already for this main board if I can find a schematic or a board view, but I haven't found because this model is new and it will take 2 years until we have the schematic for this main board. Because that I will test it from my experience from all the motherboards, and we will see if we can find if I can find a problem or not. This main board have a number. It is 820 02098. It is from the new models, 2021 models. First, what I will check all, the PPBUS, the power supply for this main board, and maybe we can find something. Those capacitor, I think maybe they are PPBUS. They are giving zero resistance to ground. This and this and this. Let's check. And this also, and this is good. Let's check this coil. The coil is giving for 466. That is good. I will check also those coils. Maybe they have some shorts or something. This one is giving 472. The other one is giving 473. This one also the same, is good. That meaning I think those are the SSD or 3.3 VCC, and this one is good also. What I gonna do, I will flip the main board and see if we can find other things to inspect. I see here a lot of capacitors here, and normally those capacitors are PPBUS. I think if we can inject here or in the other part from the mainboard the voltage, maybe we can find our problem from where it's come. What I will do now, I will inject 1 volt here on those capacitors to see if the component it will hot or it will give some heat to discover from where the problem is come. Now I will go to our thermal cam and inject, how I said, 1 volt to see maybe we can find something, because without the schematic or board view it is very hard to find the problem, but maybe we can fix this MacBook and make our client happy. And now we are taking about 400 milliamps, and I am seeing a hotspot in this area. I will inject another time to be sure that the hotspot it came from there. It is taking about 3-4 milliamps, and the hot area is right here, right in this under this cover or shield. I don't know what is here. Let's try to take this shield out and see what is under it. Maybe we can find a bone component or component that is shorting to ground, that making this mainboard to do not work. Let's go under the microscope and our hot is coming from under this side from the mainboard. This is a capacitor where I inject the voltage here, and our heat spot is coming from this area. This one, I think it is a shield or it is a cover. I don't know. We will see right now. I will try to take first this cover, this black tape above it. I like to take this very easy and very slow. Oh, it is not a shield, it is just a tape above this metal plate. Oh, look what we have found. We have found our treasure. A blown capacitor. It is and this is what making our mainboard to not start, and this is what makes the MacBook to die. I will directly remove this blown component. It's always good to do not put a lot of heat on the mainboard. I will put some solder on both legs of this capacitor, and in that case we can take this capacitor easier out. Like this. We will put some solder here, and we will put some solder on the other side. And now what we will do, we will do like this. You see, very easy and very fast, and we have the mainboard haven't got a lot of heat. I think I will wig this area. I will change my tip with the blade. like this, and I will give it some heat. And we are ready to go. And now we will test our PPBUS to see if the short is still there or the short is gone. Just we make some clean, and it looks perfect. If we can look other side, we have the same cap here, maybe. It is the same size. It is 330 microfarad. I guess, I don't know. I just want to know to see if our short is gone or not. Here was the capacitor which we have measured them earlier, and we can see here. Oh, our short is gone. Of course it will be go, because we have removed that blown cap that was making the mainboard to stop. Now what I will do, I will connect it to the charger to see if the mainboard will start, or if maybe it have another problem, I don't know. I just want to take out the DC charger and to test it. This one has 4 screws here on the main on the case, and we need to take it out to test the mainboard. We have find the right screwdriver. like this. We have take our DC jack out. I will plug it here. And let's see. Let's see what will happen. If you can see on the left side up, that is a meter from USB-C charger, and I will plug it our charger here. Now I have fixed the multimeter USB-C, and you can see it in the left side above. Now I will insert it, and you can see that now it's 5 volts, and now it's going to 20 volts, 170 milliamps, 180 milliamps, 200, and if I test the 500, 300, this means that our problem is solved. If I am here testing the volt on our cap, it will give 12 volts, and that is our PPBUS. I will assemble this laptop and see if we get a screen on it or not. I will come back. Hello guys, I am back. I have assembled the MacBook, how it was, everything, and let's test it, the final test, and see if we are success with repairing this MacBook. We have 5 volts, if you see here in the left, 20 volts, 300 milliamps, and here we have the Apple logo, like you see, and you can see also on the left side how much amps is take. That was for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe and follow our channel to have more videos like this, and
to use English
I wish for you all
key.
the best.
To use
Goodbye.
British English as the main language,